In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to beat Plastiq and Melio fees in 25. If you're navigating the landscape of digital payments and finding yourself caught in the web of platform fees, this guide is for you. We'll be exploring practical steps to help you minimize or even eliminate those pesky transaction charges. Let's start with Plastiq. Plastiq is a service that allows you to use credit cards to pay vendors that might not normally accept them. The base processing fee for Plastiq is approximately 2.9% when you make a payment using a credit card. Keep in mind, though, that this fee can vary depending on the card or the country you're in, so it's important to check those specific rates before proceeding with any transactions. Now, when it comes to Melio, if you're using an ACH, which is essentially a bank transfer, it's typically free for standard transfers. However, if you choose to make payments via credit card, the fees usually range from 2.5% to 2.9%. Melio also offers options for checks and expedited services, which, as you'd expect, come with additional fees either as a flat rate or a percentage. Being aware of these fee structures allows you to choose the best payment method based on your needs. Both Plastiq and Melio sometimes run promotions or have partnerships that could lower your total cost. For instance, you might find credits through partnerships, like those Melio has with MasterCard. Staying informed about such offers can be a great way to save on transaction fees. If you find yourself in a situation where you must use a credit card, it's crucial to calculate whether or not it's truly worth it. With Plastiq, the fee stands at 2.9%. If your credit card offers you a 3% cash back, you end up with a net gain before taxes, albeit a small one, about 0.1%. However, if your card only offers a 1.5% reward, you'll be losing money due to the discrepancy, resulting in a net loss of 1.4%. So what action should you take? Always calculate the net benefit by subtracting the platform fee percentile from your card reward percentage. If this calculation results in 0 or a positive number, then paying with a credit card might be worth it, especially if you value the points or rewards highly. Don't forget to consider hidden costs such as foreign transaction fees, the potential of your transaction being treated as a cash advance, or even the possibility of your card issuer blocking large payments. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you need to pay a vendor $5,000, and this vendor accepts ACH payments. Using Melio for an ACH payment is the best choice here, as it comes with a $0 fee. In contrast, if you use Plastiq with a credit card, the fee would amount to $29, which should only be undertaken if the rewards or financial flexibility justify this additional cost. And there you have it. By understanding these nuances and leveraging promotions, rewards, and strategic planning, you can ensure your payments are as cost-effective as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these tips to beat those fees.